Welcome to this Android channel, and the answer or to a question that we will have today is about the LG G6 phone. And one of the questions that might come to mind for a lot of people is this phone actually a good phone to have? Well, you know what? The LG G6 is actually a very nice phone. If you're wondering, if you're looking for something that might be, you know, a phone that is a little older but still does the job, the LG G6 is actually very nice and very, very cool of a device. So this is a 2 years old phone, roughly, and we are October 2019. Maybe you lost your phone, maybe you're looking for a replacement, you're wondering what to get. Well, if you actually come across a very cheap LG G6, I think it's totally worth it. It's one of the phones, it's pretty fast, it's a very beautiful phone, has a nice screen. It's good enough, even by today's standard. Yes, if you compare the LG G6 to new phones, you will find it a little slower. If I compare it to my even my Galaxy S9 Plus, yeah, it's a little slower. But you know what? It's not slow enough to be a bad thing. It's actually working really, really well, and it does what you want. The camera is actually quite nice. The usage is pretty good. It has Android 8.1. It's USB-C charging. And if you're looking for a cheap phone to replace a phone or to give someone a phone that they will enjoy, I think the LG G6 is still worth it checking out today, October 2019. It has 64 gigabyte storage. It's actually quite nice. The screen is nice, and Android 8.1 is perfect. It has all the features that you might want. It is updated to the latest security updates, and it's just a great overall phone to have. So if you're wondering, should I get an LG G6? Well, the answer would be yes if you're looking for a really cheap phone that, even though it's a couple of years back, still is good enough for today in viewing videos. Battery life isn't bad at all. It actually hangs in there, and it has a lot of the features that you might want in a phone. As you see here, it's quite fast. It does really, really pretty much all the things that you want to do at a reasonable speed, honestly. And I've really been impressed. Kind of interesting to see that the power button is here in the back. So this is where the power button lies. Very a little unique, but still works. Pictures, quality of the pictures are not bad. I mean, if I compare it to my Galaxy S9, you see that there's a little bit of lack of maybe precision in the colors and all, but still, you know what? For what a phone can do and take pictures with a phone, it's great. So LG G6, definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a cheap phone in October 2019, even though it's 2 years back. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.